Yeah, so we got in here into Liverpool late last night. Got a really nice hotel room. A little dining area right here behind. I'm gonna flip the camera around so you can see it. Yeah, so we have a nice hotel room here. Kitchen area. I got people getting up. We're about to hit the streets, get out, go see some things. It's one of the bathrooms. Other bedroom, another bathroom here. And the other bedroom. So just getting up, about to get everyone out. But it's a nice little suite here. I like the setup. So bedroom here. First bathroom. Around to back to the living room and a little dining room area. So this is the room. Tell everybody good morning. I hope you're having a lovely day. Today, we're in Liverpool, the coastal city in England, also the home of the Beatles. We're gonna be out in the city today, just taking a look, seeing what we can see, trying to find some good food. All right, let's go. Before we go, if you like this content, please like and subscribe. It really helps us out with the algorithm and helps us spread this, what we're showing to you, to more people. All right, let's go. Founded around the year 1190, Liverpool is a maritime city with a rich centuries-old history. Nestled at the mouth of the Mersey River along the Irish Sea, Liverpool is a beautiful modern city with an expansive and traditional heritage and culture. With some elements of 18th century architectural design still visible across Liverpool, the city is nevertheless a modern, vibrant city with a unique character and charm. As the sixth largest metropolitan area in the United Kingdom, Liverpool has a lot to offer, with museums, galleries, theaters, shops, beaches, and parks. Liverpool pretty much has it all. Liverpool is also home to the Liverpool Cathedral, the largest cathedral and religious building in Britain and the 8th largest church in the world. Right north of Liverpool is Crosby Beach. It's a great day, kind of overcast, but it's not too cold, not too hot. Kind of a Goldilocks day out here in the UK. So let's go out on the beach. Stretching 2.5 miles, Crosby Beach is a part of the Merseyside coastline. The beach has also been awarded the Quality Coast Award by Keeping Britain Tidy. The Quality Coast Award tells visitors that the standard for beach management are kept at the highest quality and at the highest level in the UK. The beach is actively patrolled by Her Majesty's Coast Guard. So here in the UK, with the ice cream cones, they gave these weird little, they're not weird, but there's little different little chocolate sticks. Anytime you get an ice cream cone, they put a chocolate stick in it, which is really cool. So there's one thing about this beach that is unique that you won't find anywhere else in the world, are these metal sculptures. Here's one behind me. They actually extend up and down the beach for right at a mile, and they actually extend out into the ocean as well. You can't make it out very well, but I'll get some footage of it. There are these sculptures all over the beach. It's just really interesting. Put on display at Crosby Beach in 2005, the sculptures, titled Another Place, are a group of 100 cast iron figures scattered across the beach, all facing the sea. The work was created by Sir Anthony Gormley. Originally controversial due to the statue's nakedness, they have since been accepted as an attraction and the main key feature to the beach.
You can't interview without it being on. I'm interviewing you now.
What?
What do you think of Liverpool?
I like Liverpool.
Let's go.
So temperature just changed. You got cold, tides going out, but this is a really nice beach. A lot of sand, a lot of space. It's not too crowded. If you get an opportunity, Crosby Beach, just right north of Liverpool, is a beautiful, nice little destination. So our time in Liverpool is coming to an end. Crossing the street. So our time in Liverpool is coming to an end. And if I had to give it a grade, I'd give it a grade A. It's a coastal city right here on the coast. Has a river right on the ocean. There's a beach just a few miles north of the city. It's really just a wonderful city. The food options are great. The people are friendly. We were walking on the beach and we had multiple people just stop over and have conversations with the locals. And so just really friendly people, really great place to come and visit. So if you get opportunity, take a weekend, come over to Liverpool. You'll enjoy it. You'll really appreciate it. Until the next time, take care.